here is the short and sweet of it, guys. I hate torque to yield bolts. Anyways, so if you're doing a Tiptronic or, you know, a water-cooled 996, 997, the torque converter to flex plate bolts, so the bolts you get through the starter hole, right? Take the starter out, put your Allen in. There's 6 bolts around the outside, spaced in 3 sets of 2. Those are 29 foot-pounds. They're not torque to yield. Those you can reuse. Put a little dot of blue Loctite on it, put them back in. The flex plate, not flywheel. If you have an automatic transmission, you have a flex plate. If you have a stick shift, you have a flywheel. The flex plate 2 crankshaft bolts, the 8 bolts in there that look like these right here. These are torque to yield. So they did stretch. We checked them. We tried to re-torque them up. They would not come up to the same amount of torque. You can get them in the hole, but they will not hold forever. They will come loose. So what we did in a pinch was we went down to the regular old bolt store and picked up 8 grade 10.9 I think those are M10 by 25 by 1.25. Anyways, you just take your old ones out and have them matched up. Put those in, and we went to, I think, 70 foot-pounds. And that is it. Then you can reuse those things whenever you want. And that's it. That is my tip for today. I mean, the torque to yields, they're cheap. They're only maybe $3 or something like that from Porsche. But nobody in California stocks them, and they're a 2-day wait. So in a pinch, you know, it's not going to hurt to go back to the original, which actually has, when we used a cap screw, it had a little shorter head, and it was rated 10.9. So it actually felt better too. The threads, when I screwed it in into the crankshaft, and we put a little bit of blue Loctite on there. And you can see these come with a little thread locker. You can see the blue in there anyway. So they come with a little thread locker originally. I don't know why that will not focus. Anyways, that is my tip. Do not reuse your flex plate bolts, and I would imagine the crankshaft is the same thing. Do not reuse those. Torque them up to 65 or 70. Don't listen to people online that say the torque converter to flex plate is 65 foot-pounds, because that is not true. That is the flex plate to crankshaft. The converter to flex plate is 29. That's it. Hope it, guys. I hope it helps you, because it took me 45 minutes to figure it out, and we shall see. This is the 3.6 to 3.8 conversion with the used heads, 7,000 miles on them. I did end up going in and cleaning them up, not cleaning them up porting. I took them apart, checked the seals, ended up putting new seals in them. It didn't need it. I could have left them in, but I put new seals in it and cleaned up not the guides. Well, I did lube the guides, so but I did not touch the seats or anything on them. And I actually left the exhaust ports the way they were, but changed the seals. So we will see if this German engine responds to the typical American, flat rate job. So should be running tomorrow. Stay tuned. We'll let you know. Thanks. Subscribe, like, comment. All that stuff helps.